Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Education Gist. I remain Ayomide, and quickly I will be solving one of the controversial past question on educational statistics. Educational statistics. We'll be filling out this table. Because I noticed lately that there are some errors being made in the past queue that has been solved. So I will be solving it out. You will see. As I'm solving it, I will be explaining it too. So please try to get a book and a pen so you can actually go along with it. So now we are being given our class interval, we are given our frequency, but we are not given our cumulative frequency, our midpoint. FM means frequency times midpoint and class limit. So now in the cumulative frequency here, they only give us 36, so we need to find the remaining one. Now one thing you should take note is the order of class interval. Now you notice that it starts from down up. You start from down up, so definitely anything you are doing in this part of the table will do it from down upward. 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. So if you are calculating your cumulative frequency, you don't start from 70 to 70. You don't start from this place. You start from what? This one. The frequency of 25 to 29. You don't start from 70 to 74. You understand? So no matter how the numbers are being placed, make sure you start from the lowest class interval to the highest class interval. So now let's find the cumulative frequency of this. Now the first one here will be what? Since our cumulative frequency, the beginning, the first number will be there, the first frequency. The frequency of 25 to 29 is what? Is 2. So please 2 in it. So now 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 gives us what? The next one, which is what? 5. 5 plus 4. 4 gives us the next one, which is what? 9. 9 plus 5 gives us 9 plus 5 gives us 14. 14 plus 5 is equals to 19. Now 19 plus 17, if you should add it up in your calculator, it gives us 36. So you can see that it's balanced. We are in the right way. So 36 plus 5 gives us 41. 41 plus 4 gives us 45. 45 plus 3 gives us what? 48. And 48 plus 2 gives us 50. So now if you should look at it, 50, if you should add up the total number of frequency here, it should give you 50. And the last number of our cumulative frequency is what? 50. So always take note that if you are to calculate anything, you are to calculate your cumulative frequency, start from the smallest, no matter where it's being placed, start from the smallest class interval to the highest class interval. Do you understand? So we'll move into the next point, which is to find the midpoint. Now I always work with formula. I don't like doing tubu, just in case. I like working with formula. Now the formula for midpoint, the formula to calculate midpoint is simple. All you just have to do is just have to add up the lower class interval minus plus the other upper class divided by 2. Okay, let me do it out here. So we have 25, right? 25 to 29. I want to find the midpoint. 25 to 29. I'm coming. Okay, 25 plus 29 is equals to what? So 25 plus 29 is equals to, if you want to use a calculator, you have 25 plus 29 is equals to 54. Now 54 divided by 2 will give you what? It will give you 27. So this is why I said that you should take along your calculator with you, so that we can be able to work it out and confirm if your answer is correct. So let us continue with the rest of it. Let's continue with the rest of it. So now this is the next one. Let's do for 30 to 34. So we have 30 plus 34. 30 plus 34 is equals to 64. So now 64 divided by 2 will give us what? 64 divided by 2 will give us 62. 32, sorry. 64 divided by 2 will give us 32. So now we're going to input 32 in here. Remember, I said we are starting from down up, since our lower interval is starting from the down. So we're going to solve everything from down to the top for us to understand and not to make errors. So the next one is 35 to 39. We'll work it out the same way. 35 plus 39. 35 plus 39 is equals to 35 plus 39 is equals to 74. Equals to 74. Now 74 divided by 2 is equals to what? 74 divided by 2 will give us 37. So in this box here, we're going to put what? 37. So also we'll move into the next one, which is 40 plus what? 44. Let's continue solving. 40 plus 44 is equals to 84. Then 84 divided by 2 is equals to 42. So now we're placing 42 in here. You understand? So we'll move into 45 plus 49. 45 plus 49 is equals to what? 45 plus 49 is equals to 94. So 94 divided by 2, 94 divided by 2 is equals to 47. So in this box here, we'll place in 47. So if you to notice the pattern, we're having a pattern of 7 and 2 at the end of each of the digits. So if you continue solving that way, you keep on having figures like, okay, let's just solve it to the end. Let's solve it to the end. Let's solve it to the end. So enter button. The next one is 50 and 54. So 50 plus 54 is equals to 50 plus 54 is equals to 104. 104. Make sure you have a calculator with you. So 104 divided by 2 should give us 52. 104 divided by 2 give us 52. So in this box here, we have 52. Now we'll continue. We have 55 to 59, right? That's our next figure. So we have 55 plus 59. 55 plus 59 is equals to 114. So 114 divided by what? 2 is equals to 114 divided by 2 is equals to 57. So in this box here, I put in 57. So the next one is 60 to 64. So we have what? 60 plus 64, which is equals to 60 plus 64, that is 124. 60 plus 64 is equals to 124. Correct? So 124 divided by 2 is equals to 62. Sorry, is equals to 62. So we place in 62 here. Then the next one, 65 to 69. 65 to 69, we have 65 plus 69, which is equals to 65 plus 69 plus 69 is equals to 134. 134. So now 134 divided by 2, we're supposed to have 134 divided by 2, we have 67. 67. And the last one, 17 to what? 74. 70 to 74. So you have 70 plus 74. 70 plus 74 is equals to 70 plus 74 is equals to 144. So therefore 144 divided by 2 is equals to 144 divided by 2 is equals to 72. So our answer here will be what? 72. So we have solved out the midpoint. This is how we get the midpoint. So now we are going to move on to finding the FM. What does FM means? FM means frequency times midpoint. So we'll find out the frequency times the midpoint. So I'll have to clear out this. Now, we're starting from what? We're starting from 25, right? We'll start from 25 to 29. So let's find the FM of 25 to 29 first, which means what? 27 times what? 2. So write it in box. I'll write it in here. 27 times 2. I will 27 times 2. 27 times 2 is equals to 27 times 2 is equals to 54. So in here we're going to put what? 54. So the next one is 32 times 3. 32 times 3 is equals to 32 times 3 is equals to 96. So in here we'll put what? 96. We're starting from down to the top. So the next one is 37 times 4. So let's solve it here. 37 times 4 is equals to 37 times 4 is equals to 148. Now 148. Like I said, you can take your calculator with you as we solve along. So the next one is 42 times 5, right? 42 times 5. So let's see it out. 42 times 5. 42 times 5 is equals to 210. So I put in here 210, right? So we continue. The next one is 47 times what? Times 5. 47 times 5. 47 times 5. So 47 times 5 is equals to 235. 235. So put it inside this box here. 235. Sorry. 235. So the next one is 52 times 17. Come here, let's solve it out. Let's see. 52 times 17. 52 times 17 is equals to 884. So you put the 884 here. And the next one is 57 times 5. Come down here. 57 times 5. So 57 times 5 is equals to 285. 285. So in here we'll put 285. So the next one, which is the second to the last, we have 62 times 4. 62 times 4. 62 times 4, which is equals to 62 times 4 is equals to 248. 248. So we have in here 248. And then last one, which is 63 times 7. 63 times 7. 63 times 7 is equals to 63 times 7 is equals to 441. So we'll place it here. 441. Now let's check if this answer they gave us is correct. This 144. So you can solve it inside your notebook. We do 72 times 2. 72 times 2 will give you 144. That's how they got 144. So now we have gotten we are filling the space of FM Now the last one is to find the class limit. Now, like I told you, I started from what down up. First, started from the lowest to the what to the highest. So now we are given the highest. The class limit means what? We are going to minus the left hand side of the class interval with 0.5 and add the right hand side of the class interval with 0.5. That means if you minus 25 minus 0.5 gives us 24.5. 29 plus 0.5 gives us 29.5. So that's how they got 24.5 to 29.5. So this is the lowest the class can go. So now we'll move on to the next one, which is 30 to 34. 30 minus, let me solve it out here. Or is there any need? Okay, 30 minus 0.5, you can work it out with your calculator. 30 minus 0.5 gives us 29.5. Then to 34 plus 0.5 gives us 34.5. Then the next one, 35, right? 35 minus 0.5 is 34.5. Then we have 39 plus 0.5 gives us 39.5. Then move on to the next one. 40 minus 0.5 is equals to 39.5. Why? 44 plus 0.5. 44 plus 0.5 gives us 44.5. Then you move up again. Now 45 minus 0.5 is equal to 44.5. Then 49 plus 0.5 is equals to 49.5. Move up again. Then 50 minus 0.5, you know, I'm minusing the left hand side, so 50 minus 0.5 is equals to 49.5. Then we'll space it. 54 plus 0.5 is equals to 54.5. Yep. So we'll move up. 55 minus 0.5, which is equals to 54.5. We'll space it. Then 59 plus 0.5 is 59.5. So if you continue all the way up, this one we have 59.5 to 64.5. Then the one up we have 64.5 to 69.5. Then the last one we're going to have 69.5 to 74.5. So we have filled in the table, we have answered the question. This is all what they need, this is all what you need to do. So in the next video I will be treating on how to solve ANOVA, how to solve statistics with ANOVA, A-N-O-V. Let me spell it in here so you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. So that's what I'll be dropping in the next video. I'll be dropping how to solve ANOVA. So I'll be dropping a video on it very, very soon. Just make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you later.